Hernandez from Pharma-Chemical, from Sufficient Limited, excuse me, located in Brantford, Ontario, Canada. So today, I want to talk about this safety violation number from OSHA, that it's respiratory protection. There are, OSHA has given 3,097 citations for these type of violations. In the United States, OSHA regulates respiratory protection by the Reg 1910.134, and in Canada is a CSA standard set 94.4. The common violation on respiratory protection, according to OSHA, is workers have not been sent or haven't been sent to the physician or the doctor to have the a letter that they are capable and able to use a respirator. People with high blood pressure, with asthma, with any other respiratory illnesses, they need to go to the doctor and do the right assessment, and then the specialist or the doctor is going to say if he or she is able to wear a respirator. So nobody in this, almost nobody, because there are a lot of citations, especially on that, companies haven't been able to reproduce these type of documents. So in Canada, actually, when we buy the respirator from any brand, actually says that you need to go to the physician first according to the standard. So we need to do the same. The second violation is proper storage. So you cannot leave the respirator on the floor or the shelf, on the cabinet, without any type of protection. You see these respirators when you buy them, they come with a bag, with a plastic bag. So it's a plastic bag with instructions they have that you see when you open the box of the respirators, and the respirator clean. That's the proper way, or that's the right way to store a respirator, and should be part of your training program. The third violation is people with facial hair, beards, or goatees. And both regulation and standard in both countries, they are very specific on that you can't. I'm seeing, and actually this is the argument. They say you can pass, actually they're going to pass the quantity fit test of the respirator with the facial hair, with the beard, or with the gold teeth. And the reason why is very simple, that answer. They are not moving, they are not sweating. They are in a relaxed stage. And anybody's going to pass. The issue comes when they go to the workplace, and now you start moving drums, you're still doing your own work, at the rhythm that you do it, and you start climbing ladders, etc., and then now the respirator is going to be compromised, and leaks, they are going to start appearing, and then you're going to start smelling vapors, if that is the case. The fourth violation is disposable masks. You need to, before somebody wears the disposable masks, because they come with something that they call N95. It's NIOSH 95. Therefore, it's mandatory that you need to conduct a qualitative, at least, fit testing. They're normally for disposable masks, they are the way to do it. For the other ones, for full face and half face with cartridges, you have the ability and you have the equipment to do qualitative, but you can do quantitative as well. Quantitative, but you can do qualitative as well. You don't have the budget, do qualitative. That is not a problem. So those are the typical safety violations on respiratory protection. They say there are 500,000. No, let me review the data here. Says, because the number is very interesting. actually 5 million of U.S. workers. They need or they should wear respiratory protection. So these type of safety violations, they affect a lot of people. 5 million, they are gonna be exposed. So that's something that I want to explain, because somebody yesterday asked me why I'm doing this, sharing my information, my expertise, with no compensation in social media. Well, remember, I have my company. It's Sufficient Limited, located in Brantford, Ontario. But our mission actually is protecting people's lives and reducing incidents. And as you know, young workers, they are joining the workforce, and in the first year, they suffer. According to the statistics of workers' compensation, they are exposed and they suffer. The many claims they come from them. And it's because they haven't exposed to the industry. So at least I can share my expertise and tell them this is the things that you need to know. You want to see more information, more videos, I have my YouTube channel, Pharma-Chemical-Safety, and you want to see these videos also, and other videos that I do every week, more extensive, inclusive an hour with safety topics. So I explain with more detail all of these things. That's the thing that we do. If you want to discuss further, so go. You can find me on www.pharma-chemicalsafety.com, or replying to these videos, and I wanna be glad to help you and provide an answer as the best of my capabilities. People who are located in Canada, happy Thanksgiving Day. It's on Monday. Happy Thanksgiving Day, and have an excellent long weekend here in Canada. See you on Tuesday. Bye.